today I'll be doing a content that's slightly different from what I do usually. Today I'll be preparing some food, and these food are from ZANE Elixir, and they are a brand that's specialized in Cordyceps food. So this is what I have over here: salt baked chicken, and I have this Bak Kut Teh one, which is really interesting. They are actually frozen, and there are a few ways of cooking them. First is to microwave them. Second, you can actually put in a water bath and then reheat the internal bag. Third, you can actually defrost and pour the contents of the internal bag to the pot and boil them. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm someone who's like very lazy, so I'm gonna steam them. So this is what I'm gonna do. I've actually poured out some water into my steamer already. So I'm gonna unpack the salted baked chicken first. So it looks something like this. I'm just gonna throw them into the steamer. And then next we have the one Bak Kut Teh, which I'm really excited about. I don't know if it tastes like Bak Kut Teh or not. I'm just gonna turn them up for about 20 minutes to let the content just heat it up, and then thereafter I'll just transfer them. So this is how it looks like when steaming. I think a safer way of doing is actually to pour the contents out into a bowl and then you steam it. But I guess this works fine as well. Okay, now it's done, and I'm just gonna zoom into you guys and see what's in there. So this is the Bak Kut Teh, and the one on the bottom tier is the salted baked chicken. Oops, not big enough. And then for the salted baked chicken, I've actually prepared some vegetables to accompany my diet. So oh, so juicy! Wow, what an explosion! Woohoo! It's taste test time. Okay, let me try the chicken. Wow, it's very juicy, and I love Thai meats. It's very, very juicy. Not bad. Let me try the Bak Kut Teh. It actually smells like Bak Kut Teh already. Warm in my tum tum. On a rainy day makes me crave for hot soup, and this is so shiok. And there's also the pork. Okay, I like the soup. Okay, so this is a super convenient meal for anyone who's working with busy lifestyle and still want a healthy diet. Yeah, so remember to visit ZANE Elixir.